Today we're going to do a quick video of how to do the oil change on the 2013 BMW 320. Here's the filter size, and it comes with the kit with the gaskets and everything. And let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and open up the cap and pick up the car. Okay, just secure the car with a jack stand. And then what we're going to do is open up the latch. This one's broken, so I'm going to use some channel locks to get that open. Alright, so there it is. The flap is open. And there is the drain plug. So we're going to go ahead and open up the plug and drain all the oil into the can. Okay, so I didn't have the tool for it, so I want to go pick it up at AutoZone real quick. Hopefully this is it. Alright, and it looks like this is the perfect size. Perfect. So it is 3/8. So let's go ahead and take off that bolt. Alright, and there it is. Just go ahead and let all of the oil drain out. Then we're ready to cap it up. But for now, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove the oil filter up on top. Alright, here's the drain plug. And this oil filter comes with a new kit with a drain plug and everything. So let's go ahead and remove the oil filter. Go ahead and unscrew it by unscrewing the oil filter cap from here. If you need more leverage, you could always take this off by just prying up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a rag here in the way so it catches all this oil. And we'll set this to the side for now. Pull our filter out. Alright, and let's get it out of here. Okay, now let's go ahead and clean this cap off. Alright, so here we have the new filter assembly. I'm not too sure what this would be. Maybe if you're using a drain screw. But we don't need this for sure, because this just has a gasket right here. This gasket goes on that one right there, and this gasket goes on this right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a razor blade to cut this gasket off and this one here, simply by just going like this and just wiggling it back and forth until it cuts that gasket. Alright, and this one just fell right off. It's so worn out already, it's deformed. This one here, there it is. Now we're going to slap this one here. Might need both hands to do that real quick. Alright, and there it is, nice and assembled. Now we're going to grab our filter, put it inside, grab this O-ring, and we'll put it in here. Alright, and there it is. So now we're ready to install our filter back in, just like so, and screw it back together. Alright, and we're going to install our new plug into our engine. Alright, just don't over tighten, it is plastic. Close this flap and secure that little door. Alright, now just go ahead and lower the vehicle. Now let's go ahead and pour all of our 6 quarts of oil. Alright, after you put in all the oil, go ahead and cap it back off. Like so. So the words are matching the front. And you're done. Just go ahead and clean any excessive oil. And you're set. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.